In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom object in Hubspot using Make. This method is not only easy, but also incredibly fast, so stay tuned and I'll walk you through the process in just a few minutes. First, what you want to do is navigate over to Hubspot, a versatile platform offering numerous tools for your business. Once you've reached their homepage, you'll need to locate the login button. It's typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking there will prompt you to enter your login details. Now, I won't be going through how to reset your password here, but if you don't remember your credentials, there's a handy forgot password link to assist you. After logging in, you'll be taken to HubSpot Home. This landing page provides access to all your HubSpot activities and data. If you're new to this space, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, to find in-depth resources on navigating HubSpot, head over to the user guide section. You can access it by clicking on the link in the navigation menu. This is an essential step to ensure you're equipped with all the information necessary to move forward efficiently. Next up, you'll want to click on Settings. This button is generally represented by a gear icon, making it easy to spot. Once inside the settings, navigate to the Objects category. Within this section, you'll find a variety of different object types that play integral roles in how you manage your data. Since today's focus is on creating custom objects, direct your attention specifically to that section. When you click on custom objects, you'll be directed to a page that gives you insight into existing custom objects, if any are present. This view is helpful for managing and editing existing objects. But today we're creating a new one, so your next move is to click on Create Custom Object. Upon clicking, you'll enter a realm where you can bring your data dreams to life. Here, think about what your specific needs are. What's the most valuable data for your business right now that you'd like to organize and utilize through HubSpot? Addressing this will guide you in setting up your custom object's properties. Remember, a well-defined object enhances your analytics and streamlines your processes, so take your time in configuring it to your needs. And there you have it. By navigating through these straightforward steps, you've set up a custom object in HubSpot. Whether you're organizing unique product information, tracking specific client activities, or gathering intricate data sets, this custom object will serve as a central cog in your data management wheel. If you need to make adjustments later, HubSpot's interface allows for flexibility. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content that makes your tech life easier and more efficient.